Come test drive this 2019 Toyota RAV4. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, favoring both performance and efficiency. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, lane departure warning, and power windows. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.